Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to record a sound on the Zello application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the echo button on the top of the page, and then just hold down or press down the recorder button and just talk, and just press it down as long as you want to record your sound, and then just release it, and it will be your recording will be saved. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.